Knock, knock. Bird. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Knock, 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 knock. Bird. For the first time. Okay, but thank you guys. Earlier, yeah, but you know, I just want to tell a story because earlier we didn't expect we thought it's gonna be hot the whole day, right? So I told them to wear to dress lightly so they won't feel hot. But it rained. The rain is so strong. We weren't able to watch the. Oh my God, that is. Yes, we weren't able to watch the weather. So worried. Oh no, we weren't able to watch the weather in Perth.
Weather report?
Weather report. The weather report. Alright, I won't say any jokes anymore because maybe I'll get reported instead. Anyways, for our next song, it's gonna be serious, don't expect any jokes anymore. But